Launching Nintic Meditation. Part 3. Sufferings of Samsara. Meditation 28. The Suffering of the Pretas. Please read Campo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and Dakinis. Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the 6 realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Meditate on the sufferings of the Pretas. Pretas suffering from external obscurations have very skinny bodies and scrawny limbs. Having not heard even the mention of water for centuries, they are consumed by burning pangs of hunger and thirst. As well as tormented by harm from others and their own mental anguish. They may catch sight of a stream of water and an orchard, but rushing there, they find only a dried up waterbed, and withered trees, which even turn into weapons to hurt them. Pretas suffering from internal obscurations have bellies the size of the whole valley and mouths no bigger than the eye of a needle. They are constantly deprived of food and drink. Even if they manage to get a small morsel of something edible, by the time it gets into their stomach, it bursts into flames and scorches their internal organs. While smoke comes from their nostrils. Each of the pretas suffering from specific obscurations has swarms of tiny pretas living inside it. Feeding on its flesh and sucking its blood, causing incredible pain. Think how much you suffer from hunger when you have not eaten for a day, or even just from missing one meal. At present, countless beings, due to their karma ripening, are suffering from the excruciating pains of pretas. Therefore, resolve, in order to deliver them from such miserable state of affairs, and to avoid being born in a Preta ram myself. Day and night, I will not relinquish my diligence in practicing the Dharma. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.